Well, hey, everybody. How's everyone doing this evening? We'll give it another minute and then we will start. Very excited. We've got Bowman U Best tonight, 2024. 2 hobby boxes. 4 autos per box, so 8 autos for the night. And we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll pull some fire for everybody. All right. Hello, best of luck to everyone. My name is Mary. I'm with Roo Sports Cards and Box Breaks. So if you haven't been here before, thank you so much for joining. And if you're a repeat, thank you again. And let's get this party started. There we go. Let's start with the one on the left. Right on. Well, we'll say a little prayer to the card gods. If you didn't know, eBay has a sweepstakes. There's no purchase necessary to enter to win. Check out the link in the description of every box break. Because who doesn't like freebies? I know I do. All right. Good luck, everyone. There we go. Okay, first pack. Good luck. Ooh, we're starting off with Drew Aller, Penn State. Matthew Golden. Trey Moore, Refractor. Phil Mava. And Quentin Joyner. Now I try to penny sleeve. I mean, every single one of these will be penny sleeved, and then refractors and hits, they'll be in top loaders. You won't have to worry about that. Newbin Bay. Ryan Williams. Oh, we've got our first auto back there. Or no, not an auto. Carson Beck, Field Day. Just a refractor. Mason Taylor. And Ricardo Hallman. Riley Leonard. O'Marion Hampton. Chris Mitchell, refractor. Dylan Diamond. And Taylor Green. What's up, Giant Hawk? Thanks for joining. TJ Giddens, Jackson Dart, Elements of the Game, Cam Rising, Thomas Castellanos, and Malik Starks. This is the second time I've had this break. We'll have a few more. I have a full case. Well, had a full case. Started out with full case. Eugene Wilson, Ty Thompson, Luther Burden, Teal, 189 out of 225. Always very pretty. Jackson Arnold and Will Johnson. Montrell Johnson Jr., Rocco Betch. First auto, Quentin Joyner, USC. This is a refractor auto. First auto of the night, TJ Finley and Kenshawn Junkins. Quentin Joyner is first up on the stand. Can't see him. There you go. What's up, Giant Hawk and Cards 8170? How are you? Good evening. We're still on our first box. A couple packs in. We have our first auto from USC. And Mika Egbuka. Cameron Ward, Making the Grade, Garrett Nossmeyer, Ashton Genty, and CJ Daniels. Like 5 more packs in the first box. Tez Johnson. What's up, Nando? Devin Neal. Kyron Drones. Virginia Tech. It's 9 out of 75. That's cool. I like the colors. Antonio Williams and Ollie Gordon. There's our first two autos of the night. Back these kids up a little bit. There we go. Jordan James, Nico Malaleva, Dylan Gabriel, 43 out of 75. Gorgeous yellow refractor. Garrett Green and Jalen Daniels. We still have 2 more autos to go in this first box. I'll be very disappointed if we don't have them. Kobe Bryant, Mikael Williams, Masterpieces, Trevor Etienne, DJ Ugalalele, and Jamal Haynes. Down to the last 2 packs. First box, Jeremy Bernard, Deion Burks, Jalen Daniels auto, Byron Brown, and Raheem Sanders. All right, last pack. Oh, this one's got a thick card. Pull from here. Start off with Jaden Ott, CJ Baxter, Benjamin Morrison, DJ Ukulele on the speckled elements of the game. Purple and yellow back here. Oh, who do we have? Josh Hoover, TCU, Jumbo Patch, auto, player worn memorabilia. Witnessed by a Topps representative, Josh Hoover for TCU. Beautiful looking card, great signature. $84 out of $99. There we go. And that's our first 4 autos of the night. Last time I hit the big one in the first pack, so it's kind of nice to have it near the end. Next box. What do y'all think so far? All right, first pack, second box. Good luck, everybody. A little prayer to the card gods. Damian Martinez, Dante Lawson, Mikael Williams on the refractor, Antonio Williams, Ollie Gordon. Luther Burden, Xavier Watts, Bandit Wanted, Xavier Watts auto. This is a rare one. Notre Dame, number 2 out of 100. Can't get much better than that. Nice. Garrett Green and Jalen Daniels to top off that pack. Let's get this die cut in here and up on the stage. I've had some really great Notre Dame hits the last few weeks. Put him in the middle. There we go. Amika Egbuka, Cameron Ward, Donovan Edwards is 51 out of 125 for the purple. Gavin Salchuk and Phil Maffa. Benjamin Morrison, Riley Leonard, Josh Hoover, ooh, pink, 30 out of 100. Oh, this is one of those waves. They were called Lava last year. I'm not really sure what they're called this year. They change the name sometimes. That's rad, but do you guys see the, hope you see the pattern in that. That's cool. Josh Hoover. TCU. Another TCU. Quentin Joyner and Mason Taylor. Two Josh Hoovers for the night. Both pretty cool. Jordan James, Nico Imala, Kobe Bryant Refractor. I tripped over that one. TJ Finley and Kinshawn Judkins. I think we had that prior. Almost the exact same pack. Squirrel White, Noah Fafita, making the grade. Rocco Beck, nice work, A+. DJ Ukulele and Jamal Hayes. Whatever happened to campus captains, or was that only in Bowman U Chrome? DeMario Hampton, Jackson Dart, Masterpieces, Marion Hampton, Ricardo Hallman, Jackson Arnold. There's another die cut in here. Tez Johnson, Devin Neal, Davison Igbinosun, Reward Bandit. Just love how they do those edges. Ashton Genty and CJ Daniels. They all seem a little thick, so I have no idea. I think they're just bent. It's a little... Nothing the top loader can't fix. Kobe Bryant, Mikael Williams, KG Bolden, teal, 172 out of 225. Jade Otten and CJ Baxter. Jeremy Bernard, Evan Stewart, Cade Klubnik, Clemson, Dylan, and Taylor Green. Cade Klubnik's pretty cool. Clemson fans on. I have 2 more packs. And don't go because we'll have a little bit of an OT for everybody. We sold every single team tonight. Deserve a little give beam. DJ Giddens. Masterpieces, Eugene Wilson. Sparkly Masterpieces. And our auto is Nate Johnson. Vanderbilt. Will Johnson. Isaiah Bond. I'm running out of room for everybody. Pull him through the front. We'll do that. Dion Burks. Caden Slatter. A Bo Cook Field Day. Cool. Thomas Castellanos. And Malachi Starks. Right on. Field Day inserts are really nice. Alright, who wants some OT? Because I sure do. I think you all deserve it. Let's do something. I have a 2024 Bowman Chrome Mega Box. 1 autograph per box. Came from Fanatics. Let's go. And then we'll do our recap after we get the good stuff. There we go. Man, that's a lot of cards in here. 10 cards per pack. Let's do this. Monray Baldwin. Torrey Horton. Bowman first. Will Rogers, Caden Salter, Chris Mitchell, Braden Fowler, Nicolosi, Colorado State, Teal, fun, Trevor Etienne, Ramblin' Man, that's what I was looking for, the Ramblin' Man, Amika Egbuka, Jack Sawyer, and Jalen Daniels. Nice first pack. Hope you guys want some of this Bowman U. Let's do it. Seth Hennigan. Devin Mockleby. Will Johnson. Trey Moore, CJ Daniels, Malachi Fields, UVA. I don't live too far from there. About an hour. Right on. Mike Keene refractor, Bowman first. Jalen Knoll. Dennis Sutton, Penn State. Corey Keener. And if you're wondering, I will have a Bowman U hobby box break sometime closer to the draft in April. Marcel Reed, Trevor Etienne, Taj Brooks, Nicholas Martin, Nicholas Vattiato, Mason Graham. These are cool cards. Noah Fafita, Campus Icons, Garrett Nussmeier, Barrett Carter, and Brashul Tutton. I'm going to go with Tutton. So I am not familiar with him. Colin Lacey, Jimmy Horn Jr. Oh, I got Colorado Buffalo in here. Lawrence Arnold, Mike Keene, Penny Brook, purple Jordan James. It is numbered 29 out of 150. Omarion Hampton, Campus Icons. DJ Giddens, Oyo Odei, Antonio Williams. All right, these are cool. Still looking for our one auto in the Bowman U product. Riley Leonard, Tez Johnson, Will Shepard, Omarion Hampton, Oscar Delp, Alex Orchid. What's up, DDR? Acropolis, DJ Ukulele, Abu Sama, Chandler Rogers, Dalen Everett. Our last pack. See if we get that auto. It'd be really cool if we do. Mason Taylor, Luke Lackey, KJ Jefferson, Khalil Mullins, Nate Johnson, Ismail Mahdi, Texas State, Bowman First Auto. That's nice. Path to Glory, Marion Hampton. He's popular in here. Cam Rising, Kobe Bryant, and Dion Burks. Sooners. Let's go. All right, we'll go over our hits and then also some of our parallels. I'm not going to go through all of the Bowman cards, but I'll do our hits. And then, of course, the autos. All right. First up are Sparklies, Refractors, Mikey Keene, Brady Cook. Kind of forgot who B. Cook was. Brady Cook. Masterpieces, Eugene Wilson, Sparkly, penny sleeve. Omarion Hampton, Masterpieces, Refractor. Making the Grade, Rocco. Kobe Bryant, Refractor. Mikael Williams. DJ Ukulele. And the Elements of the Game, Sparkly. Trevor Etienne, Masterpieces. Making the Grade, Garrett Nussmeier. Cameron Ward. I thought, not a refractor, but here he is. Cam Rising, Elements of the Game, Refractor. Carson Beck, Field Day. Chris Mitchell, Refractor, and Trey Moore, Refractor. Those will all get top loaders. I just don't want to take up all your time putting top loaders on every single hit. Got our Bowman U, Alex Orja, Mason Graham, Jordan James, pink, 29 out of 150, Malachi Fields, Braden Flowers, Nicolosi, Bandit Rewards, Davison Igobunnosun, KG Bolden is teal, 172 out of 225, Donovan Edwards, purple, 51 out of 125, Dylan Gabriel for the Oregon, 43 out of 75. Wasn't he a Sooner last year? Luther Burden, 189 out of 225. Our first auto in this pile, we got Xavier Watts, the Bandit Wanted. It is number 2 out of 100. Jalen Daniels, it's a refractor auto. Kyron Drones, Virginia Tech, 9 out of 75. Josh Hoover, pink, 30 out of 100. Josh Hoover, patch auto, 84 out of 99. Cade Klubnik, refractor. Nate Johnson, Quentin Joyner, and Ismail Mahdi. That's it, everybody. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope you all like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll have a giveaway when we reach 1,000 YouTube subscribers. So I hope to see you there. Thank you all so much. Have a great evening.